Hi, my name is Jess, and I'm working on a project called Work Squared. Work Squared is an AI agent environment where humans and AI are equals. In Work Squared, anything an AI can do, a human can do, and vice versa. Both have access to some primitive and like projects, tasks, documents, and that kind of thing. So let me show you a real world use case. Let's see. So I actually have a camper that I'm going to be selling soon. So we're going to make a new project called Camper Sales. Selling my camper. Let's see, create that project. Then now I've got a project that has a Kanban board. It also has like a document associated or document store associated with it. And then I can create a teammate. I'm going to create a worker. We're going to call him Camper Sales Guy and give him a fun emoji. Um, and I'm just going to give him the project planner system prompt. I could customize this further, but we'll go with the project planner for right now. Create the worker. Um, and then I need to assign him to the project. See, okay, do this through here, edit, assign to projects, camper sales. All right, so he's now on the camper sales project. Jump in here and start a chat with him. So pull this up. All right, so hi, I need to plan out selling my camper that I've owned for 5 years. Could you help me build a task list? Some things I can think of: clean it, wash it, fix some stuff on it, collect all the documentation. All right, I can turn here. All right, so it's going to go through and create some tasks for me. See these popping up over here in just a second. Oh, I should have made this Claude Opus, but Sonnet 4 will be able to do it just fine as well. So here's deep clean interior. I can pop up that task. Thoroughly clean all interior surfaces and storage areas. That's right. Wash and detail area. Yeah, I do need to make sure to like scrub the roof thoroughly. The roof of these things get ridiculously dirty. All right, so I'm going to add that there. Let's see what else. Complete necessary repairs, fix any mechanical stuff. Yeah, there is I know one of the glass windows for a side panel interior is broken. Cosmetic. So I need to fix that. All right, collect all the documentation, title, registration, maintenance records. Can you turn the description in the collect all docs into a bulleted list for ease of scanning? And then, yeah, so we can both kind of edit simultaneously here as he's editing things. Um, and I actually already started on deep cleaning the interior, so I can move that over. Let me see, finding, yeah, cool. It took him a second to find it. There he goes. Great. Turn it into just a bulleted list for me. So we're kind of working simultaneously on and can both interact as we go to. We'll do one more thing here. So AI, I'd like you, please write a listing for the camper and make it a doc in the project, and also make a separate doc outlining the process for sales, including where to post it on the internet. If it had search, I could also have it like search for comps of different, and then like help me price the thing. In fact, while I'm thinking about that, is price the camper appropriately. And so, this is kind of where we're at right now. I've got tasks, I've got documents, I've got AI tool using AI. And the really cool thing about it is that feels really nice is that you've got the AI, everything the AI can do, you can do. Everything you can do, the AI can do. And so there's this really nice integration piece. And you can also have multiple projects working, multiple teams working. There's a history for all that's happening all the way across it. Next things I'm working on are things like MCP integration, so that this thing can be firing up emails for you and that kind of thing. So here's our camper sales guide. There's listing. So thanks for the listing. I can like edit that into shape. I could even say like the camper is a 2021 Novo 20 thing. Please update the listing, and it will go do its thing. Cool. So this is Work Squared. It's a collaborative AI environment that's built on top of a open source project called LiveStore, and it works offline already and supports real-time collaboration. So I'll have another demo of this soon, where you can actually have more than one person working alongside you in this application. I've already set up user accounts, but I've got a little bit more work to do here to get multiplayer users fully integrated. Obviously, have plenty of work to do on the UI and that kind of stuff. But if you're curious more about it, you can go to worksquared.ai and subscribe to get email updates. You can go check out the project on GitHub. I've been building it for about 2 months using Claude Code extensively, so there's some pretty interesting stuff in the docs folder if you wanted to like look how I use plans, or if you're curious about the technical architecture. There's some interesting stuff about how this is architected. But yeah, it's starting to be useful for myself and my co-founder Danvers, and so maybe it'll be useful to you, but love to hear your feedback, what you would like to see in Work Squared, how you're using AI in similar ways, or yeah, so there you go.